Toolkit.
That's my friend Mark. He's an Irish fellow. He helped me to fix the bike.
The price of the scooter is €799.
It's very reasonable rate. And this product is from the Poland, KuKirin. It's a nice brand.
Wow, look at the beauty. Wow. Two lights. The headlights big, right? Oh man. You're very heavy. More than 40 kilos. Wow. Look at that. We shall easily fix it. There are two keys.
Now we are going for a test drive. Dogs are following them. Wow, nice out.
It's good. I like it.
You like it? Stunning?
Yeah.
Sporty, you know? The nice color, orange and the black.
Right.
Mark is saying that it's very nice ride. See how he's enjoying. Whoa! There's a charging pin.
It has two side indicators. On the right side. It has a nice sound. It's a horn. It has a wide digital meters like a normal scooter, and the maximum speed of this scooter is 52 kilometers, and there is a kilometer range also showing there. So now we already covered 1 kilometers, and it is a speedometer. It has a nice powerful headlight, just turned on like that. Right. It has a nice shock absorber for both sides. Seat also. Carry box. It looks very beautiful. Let's open it. We can carry things here. We shall keep the bag like this. We can attach the bag like this also. This lock. Both wheels have disc brake. Yes, and there also. The front view of the scooter is very beautiful. It has a steady to good start. Very strong. The seat is also very comfortable. Nice cushion. We can easily charge this like a mobile phone. The charger like this. The scooter will start like this. Turn on the key. And there is a starting button over here. So this on. And this is the accelerator. If you push it down, it will move. See that?
first trip for a shopping. Let's see how it is.